Alright guys, in this episode we're going to register for Formspree. Now, from my understanding is that Formspree is the top tier of where you can where you have a website like a contact us page and somebody types in, hey, I need help with ABC. They hit submit. Formtree provides you with a link. So in that HTML post, you put that link. It's it hits Formstree's URL. The data is posted, and then it comes to you through email. Hopefully that was a good explanation. Let's just get started. Let's choose my password. Register. Add. So create a new project to get started. Action required. So they want me to verify my email address. Let's do that too. I'm not a robot. Email is verified. Oops. Oh, was I here? Okay. So for my first video, click to create a form. I already did that. Let's refresh. My new form, my project form. Send emails to Joe. To send to a new email address, please first add it to linked emails on the account page, which is cool. Okay, linked email. Do you guys see in the linked email? Linked email. Okay. Status verified. One of two emails added. Upgrade to add unlimited addresses. So if I put, okay, upgrade your account for a file upload, more submissions, custom thank you plugins like Google Sheets, Mailchimp, Stripe, API access, and more. So let's just keep it really simple. The only thing is that their pricing plan is actually a bit too expensive. So if I show you guys Formspree, my goal is to use AWS instead. It's gonna be much cheaper for me. So if I do their monthly, it's going to cost me about $15. If I go with professional, business is too much overkill. Custom is cool. SLA, free forever. It is cool. Custom redirect, 1 team projects, forms, 200 submissions, which I think is more than enough, $15 per month. Okay, so let's go back to creating the form. Oops, get started. Okay, so that's bad. Already have an account, log in. Let's just save this here. Sign in. Let's create a form, my new form. Red Oak Security. Red Oak Security. Contact page. Contact us. My first project. Why can't I change my project? Red Oak Security, contact us. Create form. I just got a. Hi Jawai, welcome to Formspree. Okay, just got an email from their co-founder. Cool. Form endpoint, place this URL, code examples, form guide, submissions, inbox spam, settings, form enable, submission, test, HTML, API, form shield, CAPTCHA, move form, delete form, workflows. Oh, that's pretty cool. So validations is optional. Response. What happens if validation fails and what happens if it? Cool. Actions. So That's pretty cool. Rules. So let's just, okay, so I have this. Let's copy this. And let's take out my Visual Studio. Haven't coded in a while, so bear with me, guys. Let's close all of this. Forgive me. Omnitryx. We're going to do with Red Oak Securities. Remind me where contact us. Post action method. Where exactly do we use to put it? Under action. Okay. That's all. Post. And there you go. Apparently that's it. CD, Red Oak Securities, git add, git Formspree, git push. Let's test it out. Red Oak Securities. Let's use GitHub pages and see if it's about it. If it build. All right. So let's refresh. Let's go to contact us page. Jawad Abbasi business email. Actually, let's do support. Omnitryx.ca, phone number 123-456-79, company Omnitryx, province Ontario, city Milton, test, somebody. That's not good. I acknowledge. Form was submitted successfully. Okay. I was not expecting it to redirect me to there. Just got a submission, which is cool. Submissions. Details message phone province. It collected all of this correctly. That's awesome. Settings. Did I get an email? Junk email. I did. It's in my junk. Let me show you guys. See new submission from Red Oak Security. So nice. So how do I say it's mark as not junk? Okay. Inbox. There you go. Now the question is, what happens? Like, how do I reply to my customer? Or is it just? I don't think I can reply either way. Even if I was using AWS. Interesting. But I think this is good. That's my first submission. And I'm only allowed 50 submissions per month. The only thing I don't like is how it redirects me to. I would rather have them redirect me to within my website. So this is redirect. upgrade. So upgrade is in the order. Okay. Cool. There you go, guys. Formspree. It's a new tool. I think it's a good tool. If you really want easy setup, took me less than 5 minutes to set it up and connect it with my email, with my website. All right. See you guys in the next episode.